मीत का है जुनून।
Surya Datta National Award 2020 for excellence in the field of public service MSME taking global arena for this year goes to Shri Rajesh Ji Batra.
सूरज की ओर success is
Is currently responsible for several development activities through capacity building measures by taking serious initiatives in entrepreneurship education, information, research and consultancy, collaboration for policy facilitation, professional endeavors for institutional strengthening, sector guidelines and advocacy to develop best practices for SMEs. He has done his masters in commerce and postgraduate management courses in the areas of foreign trade and marketing. Currently, he is with Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs as Head Center for MSME. He is working very closely with the industry with different Government of India offices at the ministry level, state bodies, industry associations, chambers of commerce, entrepreneurship development institutes, SMEs, national and international supporting partners and banks or financial institutions to ensure capacity building at both ends at the government level as well as the industry. He has a long-standing experience of dealing with promotion, development and financing of micro, small and medium enterprises as well as agriculture, rural industry segments, SME competitiveness enhancement and institutional strengthening. Over the last 25 years, he has worked extensively in the policy development work, business strategy, project management, imports, procurement and logistics, supply chain management and business development. He was appointed sole arbitrator under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 by the Chairman cum Managing Director of NSIC Limited for adjudication of disputes and differences between NSIC Limited and private business units. Besides, as a member of core team, he worked closely to lead matters related with large-scale implementation of activity plan, including government grant monitoring and administration under the centrally sponsored large schemes of Government of India. Please welcome Shri Rajesh Batra.
success is
In recognition for his contribution to entrepreneurship education, information, research and consultancy, collaboration for policy facilitation and his professional endeavors for institutional strengthening. He has also helped the MSME for strengthening and making them rise.
ज्ञान ही श्वास है, ज्ञान ही विश्वास, ज्ञान ही श्वास है, ज्ञान ही विश्वास, ज्ञान की प्यास बुझाने का है ये जुनून। हम चले सूरज की